We've been exploring what LS Central is. Remember, it's an extension to Business Central fitted for retailers and hospitality business. But no business is without data. So now we want to start to learn how to put data into the system that is special for LS Central. And the first thing we're going to know about are the retail images. And as you may have seen in the POS, we can have images on buttons. We can have images with items. Images are so important in modern retail. You have e-commerce connected with your solution. And there you would like to show the items with images. Maybe one image or more images when you want to have the item shown from front, from bottom, from back, and etc. And images are used in the system around 20 places. I will later show you how to connect images to different things, but the first thing we're going to do is to learn about how to enter the retail image into the system. So we open retail images or retail image list. And here we have the different images we have in our demo data. So to create a new one, you do new, and then you do the code. This is a number, it can be text or a number. When I'm creating the images for items, I always use the item number for convenience, but you can do whatever you like in a way. And then you go here to image and you import the image. And of course, you have to make sure that you have the image before you start. And that is an image you either found on the web or usually provided by your company. So I have here some test image. Let's open it. And now we have the image on the button. You can see that if you search, we've been selling an item that is called Bag Linda. So I have here the Bag Linda black option, I have Linda brown option. And you see these have been created with the item number. This one is with item number B version. So it's up to you how you decide this. So this is how we created retail images.